This video should help with coordinate geometry. Sometimes it's also called ordered pairs. You're putting coordinates on an XY plane. So to start with, we have an x-axis. And this is just like what you had when you were in first grade. It starts at 0 and the numbers keep getting bigger to the right. And then after the x-axis, and notice the x-axis is the horizontal, we have a y-axis. And the y-axis is going to run vertically. In my case, it's only going up to 3. It's not as far as the x-axis. That really doesn't make any difference. It could change on any problem. It just so happened I didn't have that much room. The big thing that's important for you to remember is that x comes before y. So we're moving horizontal before we're moving vertically. This spot right here at 0, 0 is called the origin. And the origin is where things begin, so that's where you're always going to start. Ordered pairs are written parentheses, x, comma, y. The order matters and x always comes before y. It also stands for parentheses, right up. And you'll see in the videos how I get the right up. If you check this one out, you will notice there are two spots. One of them's at 3, 5, and the other's at 5, 3. Totally different spots, even though the numbers are the same. It's sort of like 35 does not mean the same thing as 53. 3, 5 means I came 3 to the right and then 5 up. And 5, 3 means I came 5 to the right and then 3 up. So here we go for our coordinate geometry practice. We have a fly, and he landed on our XY plane. And we have the spider who comes up at the origin. And the spider says to the fly, I'll be right up. So to get to the fly, the spider first goes 4 to the right, and then 3 up, which would put him at 4, 3. Let's try another one. The fly lands, spider shows up. Guess what the spider's going to say? I'll be right up. So the spider first moves to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up 1. So now the spider is at 6, 1. So that you try a couple out. The fly lands. Spider shows up. Spider says, of course, I'll be right up. Did you get it? Spider went 0 to the right and 4 up, so his coordinates are 0, 4. Try another one. I'll be right up. Here he goes. And the spider is now at 2, 6, because he went 2 to the right and 6 up. Spider says he'll be right up. And the spider is now at 5, 4, because he went 5 to the right and 4 up. On here I just have some points plotted, and here is the convention for plotting them. You notice they put the point exactly where the lines cross, and then the upper right-hand corner, so about 2 o'clock is where they put the letter that stands for that point. So this is point H. This one down here is point A. So I'm just going to ask you a few of them, see if you can get them. If I said, where is point B? You would say, oh, there's point B, so I need to come. Start at the origin, 1, 2, 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4 up. So that would be at 3, 4. So let me give you a couple. Where would M be? M is right here, so we're 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 6. Let's try out D. Here's D. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 9 up, so that would be at 4, 0. Let me try giving you a couple of points, and you tell me what letter that would be at. Let's start with 6, 3. 6, 3. So that means I'm coming to the right 6, up 3. That would put me at L. 0, 5. That would be 0 to the right and 5 up. That would give me Q. 1, 0. 1 to the right, up 0 would be G. And let's try out 4, 5. 4 to the right, 5 up is R. So that's how I find out where my points are going to be plotted on a coordinate plane, because I'm given the coordinates. My coordinates go X, Y, and the best way to remember it is I'll be right up.